Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 3, Episode 41, and in this episode, we're going to answer the question, what is the difference between a microscope and a telescope? Does anyone know? Does anyone want to take a guess? Anyone? Alright, so let me go ahead and answer the question. So what is the difference between a microscope and a telescope? Well, the difference between a microscope and a telescope is in what you are viewing. In other words, microscopes are used for seeing objects which are small. Think the word micro in it, meaning small, and telescopes are for seeing things far away, the word tele, from a distance. Now, as I mentioned in the previous video, microscopes view things that are small and you zoom in to various magnifications to see the objects. Telescopes, on the other hand, are used to view things that are really far away. Think like stars, planets, the sun, the moon, etc. So that's your differences between a microscope and a telescope. Pretty cool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on now to our fun science fact of the day. Get this, did you know that the only continent without reptiles or snakes is Antarctica? Now, probably should make sense, but it's pretty cool to know that that is the only continent that does not have a reptile or snakes, and that's Antarctica. Pretty cool. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me for another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question that'll be at the end of the video, and as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day, and goodbye.